Welcome to today's lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to transcribe words on Good. Now let's begin with the word shirt. Shirt. Say that with me. Say shirt. Good. From the word shirt, what's the first sound? Just listen to the way you pronounced it. Shirt. The first sound is good. Sh. After that, shirt. Right? Good. So you have as the next sound. After shirt. And the last sound as a consonant from the letter T. And that's how you transcribe the word shirt. Let's move on. The girls, they like to put on skirt. From the word skirt, what's the first sound? Sound it. Good. S and skirt. That's right. After that, what's the next sound? Good. And that's it. That's how you transcribe the word skirt. Let's move on. If I'm a boy, they could say him or he. But if I'm a girl, they will say she or her. Good. That word, her. Let's transcribe that word. What's the first sound from her? Good. That's the sound of the H. After that, what's the next sound? From the ER, we get And that's how you transcribe her. Good. Her, used for girl. From the word girl, that's a good word to transcribe to. From the word girl, what's the first sound there? Good. Good. Okay? After that, what's the next sound? From the IR. Good. And what's the last sound from girl? That's it. And that's how we transcribe the word girl. Good. Let's transcribe one more word. How about when you want to drink water, you say, Mommy, I'm what? Thirsty. Let's transcribe that word. Thirst. Thirst. Pronounce with me first. Say thirst. Good. Now, to transcribe thirst, what's the first sound? Oh, that's it. The first sound is the sound of the TH, the voiceless one. So, and that sound is represented by this symbol. That's good. Okay, sound with me. Sound the symbol again. Good. It's okay. Now, that's the first sound from thirst. After that, what's the next sound? Good. It's what? From IR. Okay? Thirst. What's the next sound after from thirst? First. Good. It's what? That's it. S. And after that, what's the last sound? First. What's the last sound? That's it. It's good. And that's how you transcribe the word thirst. So, thanks ever so much for being in this class. And I'll see you when I see you.